Hi Kayla, my name's Christian with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are exclusive to you. So you're not going to be playing the game of who paid Zillow the most money this month for the best leads, or competing with multiple agents for the same leads. Okay, the leads are yours because it's your website. And so I do see that you have a Facebook page here specifically for your business, which I am glad to see. You have your domain linked here so that it's easy to find. Ease of access, phone number, email, all that stuff. So I'm actually really happy to see that. Believe it or not, a lot of realtors that are trying to promote their businesses either A, don't have a Facebook page, or on their Facebook page it doesn't say anywhere that they're realtors. So you have that. You're pretty much saying, hey, give us a call. We want your business. So I'm glad to see that. I do also have your website here, which is montanapropertyangels.com. So this is what we're going to start talking about. Three things we're going to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. Content is king in the eyes of Google and all search engines. The more content you have, the better. Now, content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos, and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. So you do have a website. Obviously, you understand the importance of being online. The real question is, how many people are finding this website organically through their web browsing and calling you from it? Okay, that's the real question, and only you know the answer to. Especially with real estate websites with all the listing photos and the IDX feed, the thing to keep in mind with content is that how you save your photos matters. So like I said, it's not just the words, it's also the photos. This photo here, I believe, is saved as a few random letters and numbers. Now, a lot of times when we upload photos on the internet or on a computer, the computer will create a file name for your photos that you don't technically specify, okay? A lot of times it'll just say pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, or random letters and numbers, okay? Which is the case especially in this photo. I didn't go through every photo on this website, but I'm willing to bet if the first and biggest one is, then the rest probably are as well. And so just keep in mind that search engines read on the back end how your photos are saved. So it would behoove us to make sure that how we save those photos is actually going to bring value to the world, bring value to the search engine, and help us rank. So keep that in mind. Do your homework. Make sure that you save all of your photos the right way. It even goes down to the size. So just make sure you're doing that correctly, and that'll definitely help you out a lot. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. These directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All these directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So I'd like to point out, I typed in Flathead Lake, Montana Realtors. My wife said that you guys are Northwest Flathead Valley near Flathead Lake, Glacier Park, Missoula up to Canada. So either way, this is what we're going to use for this video. As you can see, Montana West, Glacier, Sotheby's, and National Parks. This is where you want to be. I did not see Montana Property Angels. And then if you come down here, I do not believe Montana Property Angels was down here either. But what I would like to point out is that I'm not seeing Remax, I'm not seeing Keller Williams, I'm saying agents' sites. So Montana West, MontanaBrokers.com, National Parks Realty, Flathead Lake Homes, okay? Flathead Lakes Real Estate. These guys are outbeating Zillow. And so what that means is that their website is working for them. They're implementing proper SEO strategies to bring their website to the top organic searches, okay? If FlatheadRealEstate.com is beating out Zillow in your area, it goes to show you that it's possible and it can be done as long as it's done correctly. So, and then I went down here. I do not believe I saw your Google My Business page on this first page. Obviously, this is where we want to be. I didn't see you here. I don't know if you're on the second. You may be on the second page. Montana Property Angels. Yeah, so it looks like you guys are not on the second page either. So a lot of that has to do with citations and a few other things. So you're definitely going to want to get yourself some more citations. I do have your Google My Business page up. At least you have one. So I'm glad to see the fact that, first of all, that you have one. So good job there. A couple things. 9 reviews with a 4.6, not too shabby, but we do recommend 25 reviews. So you're going to want to keep pushing those reviews. We recommend 25 minimum. And then again, your photos. So how many photos you have on this? We recommend 10. So it looks like you have 5 photos. This one doesn't count. This is the Google Drive-By. This photo does not count. So you're going to want 10 separate other photos that you can use for your Google My Business. And then again, you want all 10 of those photos to be saved the right way like we talked about earlier. So you're halfway there with 5. You're going to want to add at least 5 more, and then you're going to want to make sure they're saved the right way. And that, as well as some more citations and getting your reviews, will definitely help you up your rankings for the Google My Business page, which will help you bring in some more leads as well. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your domain can be found. So anywhere that MontanaPropertyAngels.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. And so you guys actually have 28 backlinks from 11 referring domains, okay? But if you notice, your domain rating is only a 13. This is a 13 out of 100. And so what that goes to show you is that not all backlinks are created equal. One benefit to having only 28, we have companies that have thousands of backlinks. And so you don't necessarily have to have a lot of backlinks. What you want is powerful backlinks. And so because you have only 28, you don't have a lot to go through. I would suggest going through and making sure that all of your backlinks are coming from sites that are not spammy and coming from sites that are relevant to the real estate business, okay? And then get yourself some more good, powerful, valuable backlinks. So just do your homework. Check it out. This is a site we use called Ahrefs. Go in and just see if you have any backlinks that are bringing you down, and then try and get yourself some more backlinks that will help bring you up. And then this will help raise your domain rating, and the higher your domain rating, the more visibility and the more power your site's going to have, the higher you're going to rank, and the more calls you're going to get and volume of people coming to your site you're going to have. So other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business and into your life to bring you some leads and in turn some more money. And so if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.